Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Atlas Bucks in Atlas Earth. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a fair few different ways how to do this. So we got free methods and paid methods. But I'm going to walk through some of the free methods. So open up Atlas Earth and then click onto user profile on the top left hand corner of your page. Then from here, click on the gear icon. And now let's check out the free methods. So we got manage connected cards. So this is specifically for cards enrolled for free Atlas Bucks via our merchant program. So if you click on manage cards, add a credit card, you can get Atlas Bucks there. Also, if we verify your account, so if we verify our account, so this says help us streamline our login process and we'll give you free Atlas Bucks. So if we click on verify your account, put in your phone number and then click next, you'll get 100 free Atlas Bucks. If we keep scrolling down, we've got referral codes. So if you use the referral link and do not see bonus bucks progress in the shop, you can manually enter the code here. So enter referral code, put in the code to get Atlas Bucks as well. If we keep scrolling down, now let's talk about the paid methods. So the paid methods is typically going to be found in the shop here. So it will say if we scroll down here, Atlas Bucks packs. So they've got these Atlas Bucks packs you can purchase. So you can get 100 Atlas Bucks for $7, 315 for 23, and the large one here, 2,400 for 155. This is all in Australian dollar, by the way. So depending what country, this is going to be different to where you are. And also there's another free way to get it. So we can watch one ad to get one Atlas Bucks by the looks of it. So go ahead and watch that ad to get one Atlas Buck. If we keep scrolling down here, we've got earn free Atlas Bucks as well. So Atlas Arcade, so many ways to earn free Atlas Bucks. So we could take a survey to get Atlas Bucks. If we earn hundreds of free Atlas Bucks by booking your next hotel, which is a cool way to get Atlas Bucks. So you can go ahead and click on book now to get those free Atlas Bucks. And if I missed any other ways of how to get free Atlas Bucks, just mention them in the comments below for other people to check out.